Hello my dear friends, so are you? I hope you are all best. Welcome to my channel. My topic to discuss about what is the discovery of neutron. I am some teach you about it, but first if you are new, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so I will start my topic to discuss about it. Rutherford observed the atomic mass of an element could not be explained on the basis of the masses of electron and proton only. He predicted in 1920 that some neutral particle having mass equal to that of a proton must be present in an atom. The scientists were in search of such a neutral particle. Eventually, in 1932, Chadwick discovered neutron when he bombarded alpha particles on a beryllium target. He observed that highly penetrating radiations are produced. These radiations were called neutron and Be 9 by 4 positive, 4 by 2 He arrow, C 12 by 6 positive and naught by 1. And properties of neutron are as following. Neutrons carry no charge, I they are neutrals. Number 2, they are highly penetrating. Number 3, mass of these particles was nearly equal to the mass of a proton. And Rutherford atomic model. Rutherford performed gold foil experiment to understand how negative and positive charge could coexist in an atom. He bombarded alpha particles on the 0.00004 cm thick gold foil. Alpha particles are emitted by radioactive elements like radium and polonium. These are actually helium nuclei He2 positive. They can penetrate through matter to some extent. And he observed the effects of alpha particles on a photographic plate or a screen coated with zinc sulfide. He proved that the plum pudding model of the atom was not correct. And observation made by Rutherford were as follows. Almost all the particles passed through the foil undeflected. Out of 20,000 particles, and only a few were deflected at fairly large angles, and very few bounced back on hitting the gold foil. And rules and results and experiments. Keeping a view and experiment Rutherford proposed planetary model for atom and concluded following result. Since most of the particles pass through the foil undeflected, therefore most of the volume occupied by an atom is empty. And the deflection of a few particles proves that there is a center of positive charge in an atom, which is called nucleus of an atom. The complete rebounds of a few particles show that true nuclei and true nuclei in an atom, which is called nucleus of an atom. The complete rebounds of a few particles show that the nucleus is very dense and hard. Such a few particles are deflected. It shows that size of nucleus is very small as compared to the total volume of an atom. And the electrons revolve around the nucleus. And number 6, an atom as a whole is neutral. Therefore, the number of electrons in an atom is equal to the number of protons. And number 7, except electrons, all other fundamental particles that lie within the nucleus are known as nucleons. And defects in the Rutherford model. Also, the Rutherford experiment proved that the plum pudding model of an atom was not correct, yet it had following defects. According to classical theory of radiation, electrons being the charged particles should release or emit charge continuously, and they should ultimately fall into the nucleus. If the electrons emit energy continuously, they should form a continuous spectrum, but in fact line spectrum was observed. So friends, how is my topic? I hope you like it. If you like it, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So now you give me permission. I am go to my new video and new topics. Now I'm go take care. Allah Hafiz.